what keto means key to tomorrow. During primitive times, what we used to do exactly, we never had this concept of crowdfunding. We never knew that how crowdfunding works and how it will impact society around us. Since the time the concept of crowdfunding has come in picture, there is a vast difference in the approach of supporting society in different ways. Keto, I'll just give you an outline of how it started. It was founded in 2012 by our three co-founders, Kunal Kapoor, Varun Sheth, and Mr. Zair Redinwala. So after that, the journey has been continued, and we have reached out to more than 10,000 NGOs, more than 1 lakh fundraisers supporting us every year, then raised more than 200 crores for particular causes that we have supported. So the purpose is how to empower people and communities in bringing sustainable social change through crowdfunding. So crowdfunding is reaching out to more and more people through small contributions which comes in a pool. It makes a big amount and it will be utilized for a particular social cause. And how the journey will start basically. So first step is which you have already done, that choosing a cause, that is Sanman, what work they have been doing for such a long time, so that you know more when you're talking about this cause to the people around you. Okay, first you have selecting the cause, then second part is orientation and training, like orientation that we are conducting now. After getting your details, so individual fundraiser campaign page will be created, wherein each individual that I see over here with the main mother page, with the name of the cause, like you're supporting so and so cause, Sanman cause for beauty pageant, that will be there. Under that sub pages will be mentioned, each individual will be raising funds for this cause.
Sanmat we started in way back in 2007, and we are working in the field of holistic development of women, that is through skilling or self-employment and through the supporting their health and wellness in the most marginalized area of the country, mostly in Jharkhand.
Is there any initiative taken on the cause of mental health?
We have started counseling centers with the support of Dimagi, US-based organization, where in first phase we are helping those who are already working anywhere in the offices or any in the health setups. In second go, like we have started counseling centers, and we are reaching out to the people.
This is something that I have been close to since a very long time, about this particular cause of empowering women, particularly in the marginalized community and rural area. Apart from that, I feel it's finally the time to walk the talk, and I'm very excited to raise the funds.
I really feel happy that everybody is willing so much to support those people, those who are left behind from centuries. It's too good.